let's solve this problem on logarithm. Solve the equation log x base 2 plus log 4 base x is equal to 3. Now, let's write log x base 2 to be equal to a. Therefore, x now will be 2 raised to the power of e. Now, let's rewrite log 4 base x to be log 4 base 10 over what? Log x base 10. Therefore, log 4 can be written as 2 log 2 because 4 in index form is 2 raised to the power of 2. So then the power becomes the number at the back of the what? Of the log. So we have 2 log what? Log 2 all over. Now, from here, we said x is equal to 2 raised to the power of a. Therefore, I will replace this x with what? 2 raised to the power of a. So I have log 2 raised to the power of a. And I have 2 log 2 over. Now, since the power here becomes a number, we now have a log what? Log 2. So log 2 will cancel log 2. So here I have 2 over what? A. It means that log 4 base x is equal to what? 2 over what? Over a. Now we replace log x base 2 to be equal to a. So we have a plus. Now, log 4 base x now automatically becomes what? 2 over a. So we have 2 over what? Over a is equal to 3. So this is a fraction. So to clear this fraction now, we'll multiply all through by a. So multiplying all through by a, we'll have a squared plus 2 is equal to what? 3 what? A. At this point, we will arrange this equation in the quadratic form because here the power of a is what? 2. So we have a squared minus 3a plus 2 is equal to 0. So here I can factorize this quadratic equation. So to factorize, we ask ourselves, what 2 factors are you going to multiply to get 2? And when you add the 2 factors, you are going to get minus 3. Therefore, the 2 factors are minus 1 and minus what? 2. Because minus 1 times minus 2 will give me 2. Then minus 1 plus minus what? 2 is equal to minus 3. So I can just open my bracket and say a minus 1, then here a minus what? 2 equal to what? 0. So having gotten this answer, it means that our a is equal to 1 or our a is equal to what? 2. Now, from this equation here, x is equal to 2 raised to power a. Therefore, so if a is equal to what? 1, therefore x will be equal to 2. And if a is equal to 2, it means that our x automatically becomes what? 4. So this is the answer to this equation. That is, our x is equal to 2 and our x is equal to 4. So if you find this video helpful, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to share my video and also make your comments. Thank you.